Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the water mop temperature on MOVA V50 Ultra. Once you click on the button in the bottom left corner right here, you can click on custom and then set mop, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming, and then you'll find the mopping temperature, which can be set to normal or warm. Then it will get warmed up to clean with warmer temperature to remove stains more efficiently. You can also set the temperature for mop washing. To do it, click on three dots in the top right corner, then click on dock settings, mop washing settings, and select water temperature. You can set it to normal, which will use the room temperature for cleaning the mop, mild, which will just slightly warm it up. You can set it to warm or high temperature. You should not touch the water outlet or washboard to avoid burns, and also it will use more power, but it will be more efficient in cleaning. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.